It's a beautiful day here at the Rubicon Trail. Just out here doing some off-roading, some forest washing. There's no snow yet, so all I have to worry about is just the rocks. Some rocky roads. Got it in 4 low because we're taking it low and slow. It's always good to come out here with a ham radio because you just never know what you're gonna get into. I, for one, don't use a ham radio, so I just learn from previous experiences. And that's a little treacherous right there, so we're gonna stay close here, follow this line up, because this is what works for me. I've never been on this with the rocks being slippery, so that's going to be fun. Yep. These tires seem to be holding up pretty well, these Nitto Recons. Oh yeah. Pretty fun stuff. Wow, it feels like they absorb so much easier, and I don't even have the sway bar disconnect on, and that did just fine. And you might be asking yourself, why am I out here? Gotta test out this these new set of tires, and I also come out here to see some old memories, because yeah, last time I was out here was with myself, of course, but there's been a few times where I'd come out here with the dogs, which I no longer have. And yeah, this is where I parked for the night in this Chevy Colorado that I had. It was my mom's truck, but now I'm doing it in the Jeep. And it's such a beautiful view out here. Just seeing all these trees, and heck, I've even seen bears out here.